before and after sliders in Svelte right now on bluecollarcoder Quick Takes. These are my dogs. On the left-hand side is the little guy, and on the right-hand side, looking a little confused, is my dog Mimi. This is pretty much the same mechanism that you'd see for before and after pictures, but I just kind of wanted to put my dogs in there. So let's go build this. I'm going to start out with a Svelte boilerplate app. And now let's take out most of the contents. And add some images. Let's add some properties. We'll have a left-hand image and a left alt text and a right-hand image and a right alt text. Then we need the width and the height for the image, as well as a starting percent. Now that percent is how much of the left-hand image we're showing, meaning that if it's like a 75%, then we'll show 3/4 of the one on the left-hand side and 25% of the one on the right-hand side. Okay, now that we have that set up, let's just put on the right-hand image uncropped and just have it fill the whole area. This is kind of a magic trick. Basically, we're going to lay the left-hand image over the right because it's absolutely positioned. But we don't have to clip the right-hand side. The left-hand image is just going to do that for us. So first we need to set up the relative container and then add the right-hand image as absolutely positioned. Now let's copy and paste the left-hand image. And then to clip that left-hand image, I'm going to use a clip path. So what I really want is a rectangular clipping path, but there is no rectangular primitive, so I'm going to use polygon and then specify everything as percentages. Starting in the upper left-hand corner at 0, 0. Then going to the right side top with the percentage and 0. Then going to the right side bottom with a percentage for the X and 100% for the Y. Then to the left side bottom with X at 0% and Y at 100%. And then the path auto closes, so yippee for that. Let's have a look. Nice, we have 25% of one dog and 75% of the other. So let's finish this thing up by making it interactive. So the first thing we need to do is create a new value called current percentage, which is the percentage that we calculate on the cursor move. First thing we'll do is initialize it to the prop by listening for the prop change and then setting current percentage to that. Then we'll change the percentage that we use in the template. Next, we need to make it move by first putting a mouse move listener on the container div tag. Let's create that function and set the percent to the X divided by the width times 100, so we get a percentage value. So does that work? Well, yeah, it does, but you can see this little offset in here where the cursor doesn't exactly meet up with the dividing line. And that's actually like the width of the inset from the left-hand side of the image. So the way we compensate for that is by subtracting the left offset of the div from the X value. Let's have a look. And it works. That's pretty slick and so easy. I hope you found this really useful. Let me know in the comments. It's always fun bringing these little projects to you. As always, if you liked the video, please subscribe. And if you really liked it, I'd never say no to a new subscriber. See you next time on Blue Collar Coder. Be kind to each other.